So consider this. In most of the languages, as far as I'm aware, we are taught letters or symbols that represent sounds, and they're relatively arbitrary by themselves. And you have to combine these into words that are then later interpreted into full thoughts or ideas. But sound is sacred, and like language allows you to have these fully conceptualized thoughts for each sound. So you begin thinking and speaking in a meta language that has a truth in it, and that is the divinity of all souls as an extension of El Akul.